Hi friends, welcome to week 14. Looking at our calendar this week, we are finishing our Westward Expansion Choice Board. You're doing option number 3 on Monday today. And that we started last week, so you're actually going to find that information in week 13. So instead of finding the folder in week 14, you're going to have to go back to last week, week 13, so you can finish your option number 3, okay? Tuesday is kind of an extra catch-up day. So for any of the choices that you maybe didn't get done, or you have a little bit left to do, or something like that, it's just a day for you to catch up on missing work, or any of your Westward Expansion Choice Board options, okay? Your Westward Expansion foldables, we are not actually going to turn in because I know if you did your foldable based on how well you did your test, okay? So that's kind of nice. It's a gauge for me, okay? Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the rest of our week, we're going to transition to talking about the War of 1812. So that's kind of what comes next in our American history course. So I have it split up into 2 days of learning, or excuse me, 3 days of learning, but 2 folders, okay? So day 1, you'll see, has a bunch of resources, and I kind of walk you through like first, second, and third. This is what you're doing then. And then day 2 and 3 is fairly easy as well. I have you walking through an Edpuzzle and then starting a WebQuest assignment where you're going to navigate to different websites to look at different information for the War of 1812. And then a final reflection. So the reason I give you 2 days for this one is because the WebQuest takes a little bit. So I split it up. So you have 2 full days to complete all 3 of these activities. You can choose how you do it. If you want to work longer than an hour on social studies on Thursday and get all of them done, great. Then you don't have anything for social studies on Friday. Or you can just do kind of half of it, do maybe the first step and then half of the WebQuest. And then on Friday, you could do the second half and the reflection. So there is a peek at our week. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you at 7:30 on Monday morning.